Dear students, now I am starting with session number 18 for BSc Physics for 3rd semester, Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi. Here the session number 18 includes dynamics of charged particles. In that, the charged particle in uniform, that is static electric field applied along the direction of the particle motion. The learning objective of this session is to learn the charged particle in uniform electric field applied along the direction of the particle motion. The session outcome of this dynamics of charged particle is the electric field of positive charged particle, energy of particle, and definition of electron volt. The prerequisites for this session are electric field, charged particle in electric field, and the properties of the charged particle. To know this, let us have the equation for electric field. The electric field is a force experienced by unit positive charge, which is a vector. So E is equal to F by Q Newton per Coulomb, that is F is equal to QE. Let it be equation 1. F is in direction of E if Q is positive, and F is in opposite direction if E is negative. When field is applied to charge Q, it is accelerated uniformly in the direction of electric field. By Newton's law, F is equal to QE, which is equal to ma, that is mass into acceleration. Hence, the equation for A is equal to QE by m. And it is also given as acceleration A is equal to rate of change of velocity. So, d square r by dt square equal to QE by m. Let it be equation 2. That is also resolved by d by dt of dr by dt equal to QE by m. Integrate this equation, we will get the equation for velocity. Dr by dt is equal to v equal to QE by m into t plus c, the constant of integration. Let it be equation 3. When t is equal to 0, v is equal to u, the initial velocity, which indicates constant c is equal to u. Therefore, the equation for position or a displacement r is equal to QE t square by 2m plus ut plus c1. When t is equal to 0, then position of particle will be r0 equal to c1. Therefore, r equal to r0 plus ut plus QE by 2m into t square. This will give the vectorial representation of the equation. Here AD represents the displacement r at any time t, where AB is r0, BC is ut, and CD is QE by 2m into r square. If the charge is at rest and placed on the origin of the coordinates, then u equal to 0, that is initial velocity equal to 0, and r0 is equal to 0, then above equation becomes r equal to QE by 2m into t square and v equal to QE by m into t, equation 4. Now the energy acquired is given by when charged particle of charge q is placed in an electric field, it experiences force and produces electric energy to the charged particle. So, F is equal to ma equal to QE. The work done by a force in displacing charge q through a distance dl is dw equal to F into dl, that is force into dl, the displacement, equal to F is ma and dl as it is. So, dw equal to ma into dl. Integrating this equation, w is equal to m integration of v dv between the limits 1 to 2. So w equal to m into bracket v2 square minus v1 square, where v1 and v2 are the initial and final velocities of the particle. If w is qv, we get half m into bracket v2 square minus v1 square is equal to qv. If the particle starts from rest, v1 equal to 0 and the final velocity v2 is equal to v, then we get qv equal to half mv square and v is equal to root of 2qv divided by m. Squaring equation 4, we get v square is equal to q square e square divided by m square into t square. Then the kinetic energy, since we are talking with the dynamics of charged particle, here kinetic energy plays an important role. So kinetic energy of the charge is equal to half mv square, which is equal to 1 by 2m. In place of e square, substitute q square e square by m square into t square. Then the equation reduces to half m into qe t square into qe. Therefore, we know that r is equal to qe divided by 2m t square. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to qer. This is expression for the energy acquired by the charged particle moving in an electric field. Let us substitute the value of charges here. So if particle is electron of charge q is equal to E, the energy acquired by electron is W is equal to EV. If V is 1 volt, then W equal to E equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. Therefore, 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. Hence, the electron volt can be defined as energy acquired by an electron when it is accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. So, from this session, the electron volt can be defined as energy acquired by an electron when it is accelerated through potential difference of 1 volt. So from this session, you understood what is electric field, energy acquired by the charged particle, and the definition of 1 electron volt. By the knowledge of this session, you can answer the questions like the SI unit of electric field, which is Newton per meter. The electric field is, whether it's a scalar or vector, it is a vector. The expression for the energy acquired by the charged particle moving in an electric field E is QER. The energy acquired by an electron when it is accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt is 1 electron volt. Electric field between two parallel plates in 1 centimeter apart and the potential difference of 100 volt is applied is 1000 volt per meter. For this, you can refer the different reference books like given as in the list. So, I think you have understood this session for the dynamics of charged particle. Thank you.